Hey everyone, last video I showed you how to change out the battery to your Dodge key fob, and what happens when you wait till the last minute and your battery is totally dead. Well, you can still use the push to start. As you know, most Dodge, a lot of cars today are push to start, and you're relying on this key fob. So let's go ahead and simulate having a totally dead battery. I'm going to pop out the battery here. I'm going to show you, even with the battery not even in, we can go ahead and start the vehicle. So let's walk on over to the vehicle. So, door's locked. Pop it open. The key fob is totally apart. You go to start the vehicle, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. It says key fob not detected. So we do it again. Now it's telling you, push the button with the key fob to start. So they're not going to leave you abandoned. So here I have a key fob. It's got no batteries in it. All you got to do is you got to bring it on over, press on the brake, and you use it. And there you go. It starts up the car just like that. And you could stop it again. So again, if you go to start without it, press. It's going to tell you key fob not detected. You go to do it again, and this time it's going to tell you to push the button with the key fob to start. So again, we've got the key fob here, no battery in it. And it starts it up. So Dodge, at least, and I'm sure if you've got a push button vehicle, it won't leave you abandoned, and you'll be able to start your car even with a totally dead key fob battery in the middle of the night. Hope that helps. We'll see you in the next one.